Today we're going to be looking at a very special keyboard, a very one-of-a-kind looking keyboard, something that you've definitely never seen before. A company called Gravastar. It's a Mercury K1 Pro. But today we're going to be taking a look at the Galaxy Black version. This one is $179.95. So let's get it unboxed and then we'll talk about the specs, whatnot, play a game, and be on our merry way. I hope this is the cinematic side. Oh, Mercury. I just love the aesthetic of this. You'll see in a second, dude. Well, you probably already saw from the pictures, but okay. That's sick. I love this. I love this. Be cool, play it. And then they got the blow up in the back. Oh, dude. Good job, Gravastar. Let's go, bro. I like this thing. Winning with the packaging already. Oh, this is so sick. Wow. Now this is an unboxing, dude. Look at that. Ooh, she's a beaut. This box is massive. I wonder why it's so big. Look at that. They have all their stuff like labeled. Look, cleaning brush, keycap and switch puller, panda switch, crystal white switch, crystal black switch, speedy mint switch. And we have a cleaning cloth. That's an interesting. I've never seen that in a keyboard before. We have our Type C, Type 2, with a little transformer on it. Oh my god, dude. Bro. Holy shit. That's so cool. Whoa. Oh. 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 Look at the little leg pop out and then they fold in. Is that how you change the height of the keyboard? What the f? It is. Oh, look at the back. Look at the back. It's like cyberpunk style. Look at the detail. Look at the attention to detail. Sound from the future. Designed by Gravastar. They made a little space for the USB dongle right there, and they inset it. They even have design on the USB and made it look all alien. That's so awesome. And then, yeah, to change the height of the keyboard, it's these little legs. You just flip them out. They're like little scorpion legs, and it makes the keyboard taller. Look, short, tall. All the way out is short. All the way in is tall. Oh, and the keycaps are so cool and they're see-through. Oh, I can't wait to plug this in. Oh. Oh. Like this little thing. It's a button. It's like one of those little nipple buttons. Look. This thing, you can flick it up and down. Oh, it's changing the volume. Oh. Oh. So satisfying. Looks like this is a little screen. Little digital Gravastar symbol. That's adorable. Okay, I'm downloading their weird software that I have to download from Google Drive. It says this is a file type that might harm your computer. Only download this file if you understand the risks. Okay, I don't know who these people are, so I'm not going to do that. I was just going to let it through, and I did let it through, and then the first message that popped up looked super weird, and it said waiting, and there's a little downloading bar, and they spelled waiting wrong. But like I said, I like the keyboard. So we're not going to be able to really change any of the functions of the keyboard because the software is not trusted by Windows in any way whatsoever and gave me multiple warnings to not download it. I downloaded it anyways. I can't recommend that you guys do that, and I have already since deleted it. So I guess the lighting is just going to be stuck like this. We're going to take a look at the mouse. Here's the mouse, Mercury X Pro. It's got like nutrition facts on the back. That's kind of cute. This is also something that we're not really going to be able to control at all. So hopefully the DPI that comes with it is usable, as it's the same kind of software that we got to download for that. So I also am not going to be downloading the software for this. We got the X Pro. This is $139.95. It comes in Galaxy Black and Interstellar Silver. It's got 8,000 hertz polling rate. It's got a PAW 3950 sensor, 32,000 DPI, 8,000 hertz, 5 programmable buttons, onboard memory profiles, vibrant RGB lighting, options, Bluetooth 2.4 gigahertz, wireless or wired for maximum flexibility, up to 29 hours in 2.4 gig 8K mode, 43 hours in 4K mode, and 110 hours in 1K mode. Not bad overall. I like the look of it. Okay, with this we got the Mercury X Pro. We got our stickers. Cute little stickers. We got our Type C, the Type 2, a little orange in there so you know they ain't f***ing around. Whatever this is. Dongle maybe. Ugly, weird looking egg dongle. I like it. It looks funny. It's got a 0.8 millimeter magnesium alloy frame. That's really cool actually. Got the 2 buttons here, 2 buttons here, and that is it. I do a little sound test on the mouse. Oh, it's green. It's like an alien egg. That's cool. Okay, DPI feels okay. I was gonna try and cut off the top of this camera angle, but I can't. The keyboard's not even working. What the f? It's not working at all. Hello? It literally no work? The mouse works. Mouse works great. What's wrong with the... Alright, let me switch the cord. Maybe it's the cord. Let me prove that this cord works real quick. Don't worry. See, nothing wrong with the cord. Look, I'm walking perfectly fine now. Wow. Okay, well, I have no keyboard to use. Literally, look. It's on. It's in Windows. It was plugged in with the cord that it came with, and then it just stopped working. I don't know how to get this to work again, so I guess I'll email them and let them know this happened, and we'll just finish up with a little bit of mouse. A little bit of mouse action, I guess.
Game starts in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh, they have the cool skin too.
King of the Hill. Hill contested. Double kill. Hill control. Hill contested. Hill lost. Hill. Killing spree. Double kill. Hill lost. Hill contested. Double kill. Hill control. Hill contested. Hill control. Killing spree. Double kill. Hill control. Double kill. Triple kill. Hill moved. Hill lost. Hill control. Kill action agency. Hill control. Double kill.
Behind me!
Hill lost.
Oh, I like this game mode. Low key.
Hill control. Hill control. Hill control. Hill control.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Damn it!
Hill control. Hill control. Double kill. Killing spree. Double kill. Hill control.
Yeah, I was waiting for that to happen.
Double kill. Triple kill. Killing spree. Kill light and scope. Hill control.
Let's f***ing go.
Kill iteration. Hill move. Kill sanity. Hill lost.
I'm out of ammo.
Hill lost. Hill contested. Hill
Okay.
control. Game over. Victory.
Now that is a good game, bro. That was fun. Hell yeah, dude. Let's go. That guy's on controller. Look at 38 kills. Oh my god. Okay. I'm a problem in this game. Okay, we're back with Gravastar, and I'm mad. You want to know why I'm mad? Because post office employees attempted to intercept and steal my package from Gravastar, and I'm pretty mad about it. I went to my P.O. box, and then I put the little key, because I got a key to another locker because it was too big, and I open the other locker, and I look in there, and it's empty, and I go and talk to the lady, and she's like, huh. Well, sometimes if it sits in there too long, we may go return it. And I'm like, well, you should go check back there and see if it's there. And she comes back with my package, torn open and ready to ravage and steal my Gravastar keyboard, my replacement Gravastar keyboard. So another package of mine, just like Keychron, that has just been whipped open and ready to be stolen. That's how cool it is. So be extra careful with this one. Here's the keyboard. Everything works. You can hit FN ? To change like the lighting down at the bottom. There's like a strip of light at the bottom. Like lights up your mouse pad. And then you can change the speed. Make it really fast or really slow. Turn down the brightness, turn it up. But yeah, so there's your lighting. There's your little legs. Take that little sticker off. There's your little screen. Everything's cute. Everything's working. I got this on Bluetooth. So we're going to play a game, see how it feels. It's actually working now. All the buttons actually work, so it feels real nice. I'm going to do Bluetooth, which is not typical, but I'm just going to send it. I don't even care. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into a game.
2, 1. Team deathmatch.
I feel like my ping is not great today.
Gain the lead.
Oh my god. Big plays, huge plays. No! Ah! God, I'm horrible. Ooh. Yeah, I just need to turn my sense down a bit. Oh! I got him. He's trash. What? What?
Double kill.
I'm such a rat for this.
Killing spree.
Oh, he's cheating. Uh-oh, not good. That guy's so good. Get big brained, loser, you suck. I don't even need an angle on you, brother. Ah! Get high IQ'd, fam.
Game over.
Wait, come back here, bro. Hold on a second. Oh, he's going for it. Yeah, that's diabolical, bro. I love that. Anyways, so that was Gravastar. The working keyboard felt awesome. It's a cute little different looking keyboard. I like it. Alien looking thing. Out of this world for sure. Do I recommend? Yeah, it felt pretty good. Definitely interesting little keyboard with the little legs. I like the cute little legs. It's adorable. So Gravastar did a good job. If you enjoyed the video, smash like, subscribe, and check out the tech review playlist. I'll leave it somewhere over here or over here. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.